Hi, this is Pete. Today we're going to show you how to mix up a general slip mix for installing graphics wet. So we've got a bottle in front of us that's got about 25 ounces of water in it, and it's filled to about this line right here. And traditionally this is a good sized bottle to work with when you're mixing up your slip mix solution. So what we recommend for the soap that you're going to put in your slip mix is Johnson's baby shampoo. And this can be found just about anywhere, and we have found that you can have the best success if you use Johnson's baby shampoo. It's unscented, it doesn't have any chemicals in it, and it works very, very well. So what you're going to do is when you go to make your slip mix, you'll have your water in your bottle filled up to this line right here, and we're asking that you put 3 corn kernel sized drops of baby shampoo. So it would look something similar to this. 1, 2, 3. And that's all you need. Now, depending on the types of graphics, you can put a little more or a little less. But this is a good foundation to start with when you're mixing up your slip mix. So once you've put the baby shampoo in, you just take your bottle, put the lid on, shake it up well, and that ensures that everything is mixed evenly, and then you're ready to go. So prior to application, you want to make sure that you prep your surface correctly. For that, we're recommending regular paper towel off the roll and 70% rubbing alcohol. Now, you can't prep your surface too much, so we highly encourage you to take your time when you're prepping your surface before you're going to put your graphics or paint protection on, making sure that there's no silicone-based products on it and that it's good and clean. One of the things that you can do in advance is to make sure that your surface is ready to accept your graphic or paint protection film is do a tape test. So here we have a roll of masking tape. You're going to peel off a piece of masking tape. You will have prepped your surface. Take your masking tape, stick it to the surface, and check and see how well you get resistance. If it pulls right off, your surface is not ready to accept your material, or your application temperature is too cold. So you'd go back and re-prep. Make sure that you're installing in about 65 degrees or above. So take that masking tape, stick it to the surface. If you get good resistance when you're pulling it off, then you know that's a pretty good indicator that your surface is ready to accept your graphics. Then you can go about with your installation. So these are just a couple tips to help you with surface prep, as well as showing you the proper way to mix up your slip solution. We hope that this video has proved helpful.